So I'll start it out.
Fine. Fine, fine, fine.
Hey guys, we're back, and in this video we're going to show you how to make an incredible Brussels sprout treat, right?
Yeah,
And why are we making Brussels sprouts today?
because it's a cruciferous food.
Good, and
It's nummy. I'm out.
it's a great detoxifier.
Okay, that was it.
The goal is to try to get people to eat more cruciferous, and so in this series of videos we have some great recipes.
Yeah. This one, a lot of you have probably already made. Maybe you didn't think about it as a snack or an appetizer. Obviously, you can do this with the meal, but it's basically oven roasted Brussels sprouts with an aioli dip.
Aioli? What's that?
Aioli, it's a mayonnaise and lemon and herb-based dip. And I know you want to use the toothpick because you're like,
You're going to use your hands.
I'm going in. I'm going in.
All right,
You're going to lose it in the aioli.
Let's see. No, it won't. Let me see this.
Oh, okay. I'm just going to dip it.
I like this. I like mini cabbages. And I
Oh,
love
that's what
cabbage.
Jared was saying. Jared's our guy. You can't see him. He's behind the camera. That's what he said.
Good. I love it. When they're roasted and they're like,
Yeah. You could, if you're going to serve this as a side, you could fry up some little bit of chopped onion or bacon in it with Brussels sprouts. Good.
It's good. So let's show them how to make it.
Good.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.